my voice. I am going to send you to hell. So when you go there, you challenge the devil.
Fire out!